Okay. Hey folks, Terry Brown. I'm back with another video for you, man. And I've got this powerful thought I want to share with you, and then we're going to get on to the subject of this video. But that thought is this: motivation is a fire from within. If someone else tries to light that fire under you, chances are it will burn briefly. Man, I just love that. I hope that did something to you on the inside. I gotta say it one more time. Motivation is a fire from within. If someone else tries to light that fire under you, chances are it will burn briefly. What a tremendous thought from the late great Stephen Covey. Okay. And when you think about motivation, or when I think about motivation, I think about how I know that the best motivation is that motivation that you have internally, that motivation that burns on the inside of you, that's going to keep you going even in the face of adversity and things like that. Okay. But man, I could go on and on that subject. But let's look at this. Okay, our subject for today in this video is $20 a pop. Easiest cash maker ever. Absolutely. And look at this. Stop wishing. Make extra money today. Okay. All right. So let's get into it. Think about all the excuses you ever had for not making serious money online. Wow. No website, no time, no money, no product, no whatever, excuses. I've made them. I know a lot of people who have made excuses for not doing something that they need to do or should be doing. Okay. And, you might be in that number as well. I don't know you, but I do know a lot of people that have made excuses for not doing something that they need to do. I know a lot of people like that. Okay. But let's move on. Okay. Okay. Now it is time. Okay. To throw those excuses all out the window. I said all out the window. Okay. There's no longer an excuse not to make money online. Starting now. Is everything going to be easy? Nah, it's not going to be easy. Can you do it? Absolutely you can. If you set your mindset that you're going to make things happen, guess what? Things will happen for you. Okay. $20 a pop. The easiest cash maker ever. And this is, my partner side hustle opportunity. Loving this opportunity. Loving my other opportunity, Nexus Rewards. Both of them tremendous business opportunities, low cost, high profit potential. And, it's something that if you've ever thought about making money online, it's definitely something that you should at least take a look at. Okay. Now look, this system, enables you to earn $20 for every person who signs up with you. Okay. You'll get paid instant commissions deposited directly into your Cash App or PayPal account. Okay. And I use Cash App. All right. And, I don't have PayPal for this, system, but I do have Cash App. Okay. So get the details. All right. Take a look at this, amazing opportunity. Okay. Get your ultimate money making machine today, and then begin to work towards getting paid. And it should be daily. okay? Because eventually you're going to get to the place, you start getting into this, where you're going to be getting paid daily. And let's just think about it like this. Let's say in 1 year that you were able to reach 1,000 people, okay, that joined you in this opportunity. That's $20,000, okay? And if you have 15 to 20 minutes a day, guess what? You can get it done. 15 to 20 minutes a day. No more excuses, right? All right, guys, look, I'm Terry Brown, and I just want to wish you a very blessed and wonderful, amazing day today. Grab the link in the description area of this video and be sure you check this out at least, okay? Doesn't cost you a thing to check it out, all right? I'm Terry Brown. You be blessed today. Bye-bye.